My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be walking you around our 2018 Volkswagen Golf. Just under 61,000 miles, a manual transmission and petrol fuel type. Inside we have cruise control and assist, and voice control to our right. On our screen we can access navigation, App Connect, smartphone integration, images and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen is our AC, as well as our mode button, where we can switch between our 4 different driving modes. If you have any more questions about the vehicle, or you'd like to book in for a test drive, please feel free to call us on 0118 971 1799.